Hello everyone. In the previous video, we saw like how we can publish the site and how is it being displayed in the site. Okay. So here we will see like as you can see, just let me scroll down. As you can see, we have published this page previously to the published this blog previously. Okay, and we unpublished it again, so now it is not being displayed and in the site, and it is being, its status is being mentioned as draft. So if we want to delete this entry, like this is not of any use to us, we can just click on this three dots and we can click on this delete entry option also. Okay, and by clicking on the edit icon we will move to the details page of this blog, and by clicking here also we can redirect to the editing page. Okay, so uh, today we will see like how we can add relations. Like you can see, for the blog category I have created a new relation as a test page. Similarly, we can just see for the similar story title also and author also. Like here you can see all the pre-mentioned author names are being selected. By creating a create a relation option, we will just see this dialog box where we need to add the name. So we will add the name as test author. Okay, and if we want to add any author image, we can add, since there is no author image currently, so we can skip it. For the media library use, we'll create a next video where I'll tell you like how to use the libraries in a detailed format. So like this, and once I publish this relation, it will get published and the relation is being created. And once I close this drop down, see, we can see this author name is being created by default. Okay. S- So same ways we can create the relation for this also, and once we publish it, then the blog will be displayed here and the name will also be displayed with the blog. Okay, so in next video we will just see the media library use. That's it for now. Thank you.